Andariki Namaskaram. Thank you so much for joining us here at Smart Hub. I have just walked into the store and it is beautifully done. You have every product that the masses are looking for, and a wonderful team here. So all the best from my side. It takes a lot of hard work to put everything together and to have it reach to you audience. So I'd request everyone to please come visit the store and have a look at this experience and take something back home. Thank you so much. Thank you to the media for joining us and always being so supportive. All my love. Thank
Dasara
you.
Navratri is going on. So how
Right.
do you celebrate?
Well, honestly, for me, it's always been family. I think family comes first, and these are the first sacrifices as an actor we take on, staying away from home and staying away from our parents and our siblings. So whenever I have the opportunity, I'm always hoping to go back home and celebrate it in a very cozy way, but where quality is considered.
So, like, what kind of gadgets you want to take? If you want to take here.
Well, there are so many gadgets here, so it's a little confusing, and I think I'd like to congratulate the team for that. But everybody is high end on phones, and that's something that everyone requires. You have a wide variety of that. You've got multiple, I see some speakers around, and smartphones. Multiple brands. So that's amazing, guys. I think normally, when we tend to shop, sometimes you can be confused. Sometimes you can walk into a store and also not know what to pick up. But when you have everything in one store, I think it just makes life easier. So that's why I think the name itself makes a lot of sense, Smart Hub, because it has smartly put together everything that you require all in one place.
Will you elaborate a little bit about your project?
So currently there is a film with JD Chakravarti sir that I am working on. It's a very interesting thriller. I can't reveal too much, but of course we all know him as a senior in the industry and he's worked in several movies. So working with him has been an inspiration, and I'm so glad that we've kind of clicked beyond movies as well in sensibilities and the kind of cinema that we'd like to collaborate on. Very, very excited with that, and there's also Bollywood coming up. So fingers crossed, next year there are some very big announcements.
నెక్స్ట్ బ్రాంచ్ ప్రస్తుతం ఏం లేదు సార్. మేము ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఎనీ జీరో ఫైనాన్సెస్, జీరో యూఎంఎస్ ఎనీ ఆన్లైన్ కంటే ఇంకా తక్కువ ఇవ్వడానికి కంపల్సరీ ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ప్రతి ఫోన్ పైన ప్రతి గిఫ్ట్ ఇవ్వడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం. అది మా ఆఫర్స్.
10,000కి ఏదో చెప్పారు ఇందాక బయట.
10,000 నెట్ బ్యాండ్ అండి.
ఓకే.
15,000కి వచ్చేసి బ్లూటూత్ స్పీకర్ ఇస్తున్నాం. అట్లా 30 దాకా వచ్చి ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఆఫర్స్ ఉంటే ఇస్తుంటాయి. క్యాష్ బ్యాక్ ఆఫర్స్ కూడా చేస్తాం సార్.
And starting we Smart Hub, it is for all the category of the customers, where people get lot of finance options and good experience of the smartphones and wide range of phones. And as a Prabhakar has a good experience in industry, and he has started this second outlet. So I congratulate Prabhakar to grow more, and for the customers he is the best. He gives the best service and best finance options and all the required consumer required experiences he provides. Thank you everybody.